forming plural nouns. We add s to the nouns to make plural form. As I told you, for give an example, pen, pens, star, stars. So we add s to most nouns to make their plural forms. Second is we add es to the nouns that end in letter s, sh, double s, x or ch. For example, bus, buses, box, boxes. So here we add es to make their plural form because these nouns end with letter s, or here these nouns end with letter x. So here we add es to make their plural form. Third is we add es to most nouns that end in letters o. For example, hero, heroes. Here noun is end with letter o, so here we add es to make plural forms of noun. Next is for most nouns that end in f or fe, we change f or fe to v and add es. For example, leaf, leaves. Here f is convert into, we change f into v and add es to make their plural form. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Here we change f into v and add es to make their plural form. Next is for nouns that end in a consonant y, we drop the y and add ies. For example, lady, ladies. Here noun is end with letter y, so here we drop the y and add ies to change their form into plural. Ladies, lady, ladies. Baby, babies. Next is for nouns that end in a vowel a, e, I, o, u plus y, we just add s. For example, ray, rays. Key, keys. Here vowel is come before y, e is vowel, a is vowel before y, so here we simply add s to change their form, into plural. Ray, rays. Key, keys. Next is not all nouns follow this rule. A few has completely different plural forms. In some nouns we do not add s or es. They have completely different plural forms. For example, child, children. Child, children. Mouse, mice. So here we do not add s or es. They have completely different form. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Okay. Next is a few nouns have the same singular and plural form. Beta, they never change. They remain same. Deer, plural form of deer is deer. Plural form of ship is ship. Deer, deer. Here we do not add s or es. The plural form of deer is deer. Plural form of ship is ship. They remain same. They never change. Plural form of fruit is fruits. Plural form of fish is fish. But when we talk about different type of fish and fruit, we use the plural form like fruits and fishes. It's depend on situation. Thank you.